Kumusta?
Good evening. Ito, nandito si Nanay kaya sabi ko lang sa kanya.
Can I hear Nanay's voice, please?
Siya,
Nanay, ano pong pakiramdam nyo after 12 years of being a tourist visa, you got your permanent residency right now? Anong pakiramdam, Nanay?
Kinakabahan.
Why? What?
Kinakabahan ako. Ewan ko.
Bakit siya kinakabahan?
Okay lang sa'yo.
Ha?
Kinakabahan ka. Susugan sa'yo.
Wala naman na kayong babayaran sa akin eh.
Suman. May suman daw.
Yung suman. Oh my gosh. It's
Suman. Nagustuhan mo?
Ay nako, masarap po yung suman nyo, Nanay. Pero anong pakiramdam nyo dahil permanent resident na kayo ngayon?
Kinakabahan.
Bakit?
Oo, kinakabahan ako. Natitense siya, hindi niya mawari.
Aha, so natitense kayo kasi PR na kayo. That means you're free. And eventually, you will gonna get your, your OHIP.
Mapa-Thanksgiving ako kay Father.
That's nice po. Congratulations po, Nanay. Ikaw, Cherry, anong pakiramdam mo?
Ay, syempre, masaya kasi masave na yung aking pang-insurance.
So that means matitipid mo na yung mga insurance. But imagine for 12 years, di ba? Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo na, approved na yun eh. It's the immigration's problem right now dahil sa pag-PPR ng mga iba. They have hard time fixing it. They are the ones who are actually doing all this mistake and errors kasi nga. But I was confident na PR na si Nanay. It's just so happened that kailangan lang talaga ng formality. But other than that, I am really happy. It is a beautiful night. It's a good news. Actually, last night, good news ulit. After almost 10 years na wala ding status, they got ito naman, family class, pero common law partner naman. So, I think I could say na family class is my specialization. However, I just want to hear your voice, guys, and I just want to congratulate you. I really hope na enjoy pa rin. I know you're enjoying your mom like mine. But I believe na yung mga sponsor, congratulations sa kanila. You did the
Ito, kausapin mo.
Okay. Hi, anong pakiramdam?
Oh, sobrang happy.
Yes, sobrang happy. Sabi ni Cherry, makakatipid na siya sa insurance. Ikaw, ano naman ang naiisip mong benefit sa iyo?
Ako kahit walang benefits basta naka-PR na si Nanay, it's good for me.
I know. Isn't it beautiful?
I'm so happy.
Yeah. Ang daming mga challenges sa buhay natin, pero itong mga ganitong situation is something that you really have to celebrate. It is not easy. It wasn't easy, pero tingnan mo naman ngayon. Nakuha nyo after 12 years. You actually did not stop and you insisted to actually take that PGP invitation. And we did it. You came to me. Thank God.
Yes, we did it. Thank you.
You're welcome, guys. Well, celebrate,
Thank you
okay?
so much, Marie.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, guys. Celebrate, guys, and celebrate the milestone for the family.
Thank you, Lorraine.
You're welcome po. Sige, I hope I will be seeing you soon too.
Salamat ng marami.
You're welcome. Salamat din sa trust at salamat din sa sa respeto. Salamat talaga. I really appreciate your family.
Thank you din sa iyong tulong
I know.
Tulong para sa amin.
Yeah, I'm really happy. That's my job. So again, it's another success and another legacy sa aking profession as immigration consultant. Thank you ulit. Have a good night, everyone.
Thank you. Sunod na yung suman mo.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Mag-text ako sa'yo.
No problem, Cherry. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So that is actually a PGP, Parents Grandparents Sponsorship sa parents nila. Napili sila. Actually, they've been here for 12 years. 12 years yung mom nila na nandito. And as a tourist visa. So they just keep on extending and extending, buying insurance. But right now, I mean, I think more than 2 years ago, kasi that was after or before, I think after pandemic, they came to me, and I think before pandemic, they came to me to ask me magre-register sila kasi nga recommended siya ng aking mga ka-churchmate doon sa GIL noon. So, nirecommend nila ako. And then sabi ko, I have enough. Mayroon na akong mga client and I'm not sure if I still gonna go through with it kasi masyadong madami yung aking client. But they insisted, please take my case. We hope na, you know, we will gonna be part of your clients and everything. So, I took the registration. Ako ang nag-apply para sa kanila sa invitation to intention to sponsor them when they open it in 2020. Now, pandemic came along, and then here comes the a lot of pressure and a lot of backlog. But after 12 years of being tourist visa, today is their milestone. Nakuha na nila yung kanilang ECOPR. Congratulations, and I'm really happy na you know, nagpilitan tayo to actually take your case. And also, it is a beautiful milestone. Every day is a good news. Sana all. Yesterday also another one. Si Carm. She doesn't have a status for almost 10 years. Kahapon, nakuha lang namin yung approval ng kanyang open permit. That means when you get approval from your open permit as a common law partner, ibig sabihin nun, pasado ka na, approve ka na in principle. So, makukuha mo na yung open permit mo. So, she was crying also yesterday. It was a beautiful day, and you know, it is a nice day. May mga refusal, may mga approval, but these are big things. Kasi etong mga to, they don't have a status for almost 10 years, for more than 10 years, 12 years, imagine. But as you can see, guys, I just wanted to inspire and encourage again everyone. I know it is not easy to get the permanent residency, and not as easy as like before. I think during my time, medyo mas madali pa yung pagkuha ng status mo as a permanent residency. But at the end, pahirap na siya ng pahirap. But if you don't give up, makukuha nyo rin yan. I mean, medyo late nga lang at saka medyo long yung process. But if you go to the right people, might as well go, and don't take it lightly about your future. Trust that person. Give respect to those immigration practitioners like me. And once na nakuha nyo na, then makakalimutan nyo na lahat yung inyong paghihirap in getting that permanent residency. So, congratulations ulit. I just want to congratulate Carm and Cherry and your family. Si Carm, parating na rin niyang kanyang mga anak na halos hindi na niya nakasama for almost 10 years from the Philippines. Si nanay naman, makukuha niya rin if she wants to get her husband from the Philippines after 12 years of being apart from each other. So, isn't it a beautiful thing with my profession? It might not be something na easy. It is a complex job. It is a complex profession. But I think I'm here to make it right. I'm here to help people, and I will be existing to provide you a advice that is non-sugar coated. Again, this is Norlin Oligo Sarma, your licensed immigration consultant. Happy Friday, everyone.